So now let's work on the change password functionality. We're gonna start from the controllers. So right here, we're gonna create a function. So let's export.change password. It's gonna be an async function, request, response. Okay, we're gonna get the email and also the password that we're gonna send. We're gonna send them in the body, so we're gonna get it from there. So equal request.body. Okay, maybe like if you send like instead of the message, you can send the ID back, and then you get that's the ID, and to find the user by ID. Okay, so like it's up to you. Okay, so now let's crypt the password because we want to secure it with bcrypt. So crypted password. I've done this before. It's gonna be a wait, and then it's gonna use bcrypt and then hash, and then we're gonna pass the password that we want to crypt. Okay, password, and also how much you want it, which is 12. If you want it to be more crypted, you just up the numbers, but it's going to be slower, you know, to verify when you want to log in. Okay, it's not going to go await, and then user the model, and then find, you know, one and update. Okay, and we're going to find this by the email. Okay, and else the email we have it that we get from the body, and also the property that we want to change, which is going to be the password. We're going to change it with the crypted password, simply as this, and then you can just return response dot status 200, and then a JSON with a simple message that says okay. So we can go back to the routes. Let me just copy that. Let me just copy the name of the function. It's going to be the same for the route and all. Okay, like this. I don't know, maybe let's try it in the Postman. Okay, so we missed Postman. Let me just start working on it again. Okay, so just to get used to it, right? HTTP, but this time it's gonna be right here. The route is gonna be changed password. Okay, and all we're gonna do is simply in the body, in the row. Okay, and then we're gonna go JSON, and then we're gonna send the data once. Okay, you see this is not secure, it's actually secure because we verify everything in the front end. Okay, until you do all of those things, then we give you the opportunity to use the change password. Okay, and also we can do like a certain verification. Also depends on what I think. Okay, so let me just see now. So we're gonna send the email, which is the thing that I wanna change the password for, which is gonna be this one. Okay, and then the password, and the password simply from the beginning was 1 to 6, maybe now to 9, like this. Okay, so let me just see and send again. Okay, so we should do something. We didn't get anything. Let me just go back right here to the console. So we have a problem. Change password is not defined. Okay, we didn't import it right here, like this. Okay, let me just wait. Okay, now it's fine. Now let's send again. Okay, we get okay. That means the password has been changed. And if you go back to the database, see this password. Now I'm gonna refresh. It's gonna be changed. Okay, as you see, so it's now a new password. So now if you wanna log in, let me just take that. Let's try and log in with it. Let's use it right here. And then this is the old password. If we try to log in with it, it's gonna be the password is wrong. But if we continue 6789 and then try send again, we're just gonna get logged in. Okay, so the functionality works. I just wanted to use Postman again, so I think it's cool to use it. Okay, so just like for you. And now we're gonna go back to the index or the change password. Okay, I wanna pass few things from the error up here. Okay, like this here. Okay, like this. Go back to the change password, and we can get those values. So the loading, the set loading. Okay, this is how it's gonna be. Let me see the user infos, and okay, so let's extract the email from the user infos like this, and then let me create a function on submit. So on submit, it's gonna have a function. Let's call it change password. We inputted something we don't need to. Let me remove that. Go back right here and create the function itself. So const changed. Okay, change password, and then it's going to be an async function. And right here we're going to do our test. So first of all, try catch, and then first of all let me set the loading now to false. okay, and set the error. Where is it? We didn't get it. So set error. I hope we passed it. Let me see if we passed it. Set error. Okay, we did. So set error, and it's gonna be from the error itself. We've done this a million times. So response dot data, and then we access data, and then dot message, like this. So first of all, let me set the loading in the beginning to be true, okay, and then after this we're gonna go await Axios. We import that dot post, and it's gonna go to the process dot env dot backend URL, and then right here is gonna be forward. The route was changed password, okay, and then we're gonna send in the body, we're gonna send the email, and then we're gonna send the password, okay, that we have right here. And this is all we're gonna do, and then we're gonna set the error to nothing if everything went all right, and then also set loading. We're not gonna need this because we're just simply gonna redirect you to the next page, okay, but I don't want to do that yet until I see if we have any errors, and if everything is all right, then we do this, okay. So let me go back right here and let me try a new password. This time it's gonna be a different one, 1478963, 1478963, just around the keyboard, and then click continue. Let's see if we're gonna get any errors right here or nothing, okay. So let me see if the password has been changed. So this is how it looks, WLS in the end, and as you see it's still the same, okay. That means something is not working, okay, and we have the error right here to show. Where is it? We have it. Okay, and we have the set error. Okay, that means there is something wrong. Let me open the console. Let's try again. Okay, we need to try again from the beginning now. So let me copy that. Go back to the home page. Use that. Search. Continue. Okay, let me clear the console. Let's go back right here. I hope that's the new code. Okay, as you see, 0 in the beginning, now it's fine. Continue. Okay, now it's fine. Let me try again. Clear the console. Can I clear the console, please? Can I? Okay, and then let's click continue. Okay, so we have a problem, not found, okay. It's actually pretty obvious right here, this not backend URL, we named it React app, and in the front end they all start this way, okay. So like this. Now let's try and continue. Let me just clear the console and then click continue, okay. And as we click continue, everything is fine and there is no error right here. Let me just see if the password changed in the database. So the WLS in the end. Now refresh, and now you see it's been changed, okay. So now let's try and log in Postman and see. So this is the password that we had sent. Now it's wrong. Now I use the new password. Let's try and send. Now we get logged in, okay. So everything is fine. So now we can just, after this, we can navigate the user to the next page, okay. So after this, right here, just simply navigate, and then we're gonna go to the, okay, we didn't get navigate, okay. So let me get it. Let me just add navigate right here and go top and then get it. So const navigate equal use navigate from React.js, okay. So now everything is fine, so we can try that. So let me click continue right now, which is the same password, and then you get redirected after everything is all right. So the change password functionality works fine, so that's good.